I told y'all, this is gonna be forever until I move. Backdrop, decoration, if you know. Hello, my beautiful familia. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, thank you for clicking on today's video. We got a really interesting video, especially for our natural girl, like I tend to be sometimes, you know. And so for today's video, I'm going to show you guys a DIY hair mask that I did, inspired by Cardi B. I say it like that because a lot of people are like, this hair mask been out, she didn't invent it. But like, when you say the Cardi B hair mask, you already know what the hair mask is, right? Okay, so I just don't want the girlies fighting me, but it is inspired by Cardi B. Finally tried out the hair mask for 3 weeks straight, once a week, and I want to show you guys the results in my hair. The growth, the texture, girl. And if you have fussy hair, or you have thin hair like I do, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because girl, I lost some edges and this has helped a lot. Order receipts. So let's just get into it. Let's get into something. So basically, I tried this hair mask for 3 weeks straight, not every single day, once a week, but for 3 weeks straight I did this hair mask, and girl, the receipts I'm about to show y'all gonna be doing this tonight. As far as the ingredients I used for the DIY hair mask, I used pretty much everything that I saw Cardi B used in her video. So basically I added egg, mayo, honey, avocado, argan oil, Haitian black castor oil, olive oil. That's it. As far as the amount of each ingredient that I put in this hair mask, I'm really not quite sure because I pretty much eyeball everything. But I will let you guys know that I did have enough to saturate my whole entire head and share it with my mom. So, I mean, I'm pretty generous with it because I need this to work. There was so much even remaining after my mom would use it sometimes that we would just store it in the fridge, but I didn't reuse it because the avocado made everything turn brown. I don't know if it's still as effective when it is browned, but I use it all or toss it. Now for the egg and mayo, those are like protein rich ingredients. So if you're not quite sure how your hair will react, please add a little at a time and work your way up, because some people's hair just does not work well with protein. My hair does fine, which I've done, like for example, the rice water in the past, and my hair did good, and that's lots of protein too. Do what's best for your hair, pretty much. All of these ingredients for this hair mask you can find at your local grocery stores. However, for the oils, I did get them on Amazon, and I will have the links down below for you. Love the Haitian black castor oil. To be honest, my local beauty supply only has regular castor oil, and I'm like, listen, if it's Haitian, I'm gonna get it because I know it's gonna work. So my ingredients remained the same throughout this whole 3-week course, except for the last week I did just add a banana. Why not? My banana is getting old. I'm not trying to throw it out. We don't waste over here, so I put it in my hair mask, and honestly you wouldn't even have noticed that I added anything different. Here is my hair in the beginning before starting this hair mask at all. So the reasons why I really wanted to do this is because I mainly lost some edges on my right side. I don't really know why, because my wig came off really easily. This was when I was a blonde for my birthday, and I still don't know to this day why my edges just like fell off. But then again, I have really thin hair and pretty brittle edges so it just kind of broke off. I wanted to really do this hair mask and add a lot of oils so that I can help regrow what I lost. And then the craziest part is that I found literally a bald patch. Guys, I was this close to cutting off my hair, doing it all over the big chop all over again. Okay, this close. Cause why am I balding? I just had a kid. I'm not even 30 yet. Why is this happening to me? So So anyways, girl, I was like, listen, I need to start taking my hair more seriously. Like, I need to put some love and tender and care into my hair care routine. So let's do this mask. So boom, day 1 of doing the mask, and my hair looks great. It was so bouncy. Do you see the curls though? Do you see how defined those curls are? Like, literally, if I could create a wash and go to look like this, ain't nobody telling me nothing, okay? I'm very proud of my 4C hair at this very moment. I sure am. So the mask really helped to detangle my hair as well, and I did wash my hair prior. I don't like to do masks on dirty hair. If this was years ago, I probably would have said otherwise. We wash our hair first to get it cleansed and then do our mask. So it's similar to like a skincare routine, you know what I mean? I don't know why that order confused me, so I'm just saying it to anyone who might have been confused on the steps like I was. The hair mask felt great instantly. Even my mom loved it. And as you can see, the curls are popping, looking hella moisturized, very juicy with it. Okay, bounce. Ah. I also did a length check before and after just to see how much growth I actually got from being consistent with this DIY hair mask. Side note, I am aware my hair has hella split ends. Like, Lord Jesus help me, I am overdue, and that's probably why I am still experiencing breakage. Yeah. Can I trim my hair in its curly state? Because in the past, for like ever, I've always trimmed it when my hair is completely straight. I would do the flat iron trim. But I just don't want to put heat on my hair if I don't have to. So I'm just wondering, can I just trim it while it's curly? If you know the answer, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you. You ready for nap time?
Thank you.
I know. We're going to go take a nap. Okay, baby. We're going to take a nap. Okay, so we are back. What was I saying? I first started seeing a difference by the second wash as far as the hydration in my hair. I believe this hair mask really helped bring back my moisture, my natural oils, especially because I was giving it time to breathe. I wasn't wearing my wigs for like that whole... I lied, I wore my wig, but I cut it down, like I would say 50%. Like I was wearing my real hair 50% at a time. Okay, that's major for someone like me. This was my hair the very next day. So this wasn't the same day I washed it. And do you see how defined those curls still look? Granted, not the whole head looks as defined or perfect because I did have it in like a doodle braid. If you don't know what a doodle braid is you even a black girl? Are you even a naturalista? Doodle braid is just like those big fat no one cares about kind of braids. Considering that I had my hair braided up to sleep that night and then take it out and still see some definition in my hair was a first. Beat the drums, please. Roll the what do you call it? Drum roll, please. Time for the results. Okay, so this is what my hair looked like 3 weeks after doing the hair mask. And guys, the edges, hold on, can I show y'all in real life what the edges are looking like? Yeah, we can. But guys, I have edges back. Hi, we got our edges back. They're not long. Like, I still can't get that big swoop doop if I wanted, but we have hair. We have hair, ladies and gents. I really believe that this hair mask has really helped with my hair growth, and my hair grew a whole inch. Google says on average your hair grows half an inch on average. You telling me my hair grew an inch? What? And it also grew back my edges in just 3 weeks. Yeah, absolutely will be doing this mask. Absolutely will continue doing this hair mask. Honestly, very happy, very pleased, and a little shocked at how a simple DIY hair mask can help my hair grow so much and also make it healthier, make it healthy again, because like I said, I don't really take the best care of it, and so this was the best condition I have seen my hair in forever. As far as the cons, I just hated that sometimes I would have to throw out some of the mask because I tried storing it in the fridge, as I said, but because of the avocado, it made the whole thing turn brown. And that one time I used banana, so I just don't see how I could store this or reuse it at a later time. If you guys know, I would love to know how you do. Number 2, it is a little bit of an inconvenience to have to go out and get these supplies as far as like the avocado, mayo, egg. Most of the stuff you might have at home, but as far as avocados, they don't last, okay? And that's like the main ingredient in this hair mask. It's just a little bit of an inconvenience sometimes because I don't always have the time to go out and get it in advance, or when I need it, or when I spontaneously just do a hair wash. Just the time to do it and storing it. However, this is still worth it, clearly from the results. So best believe when I say I'm definitely continuing this hair mask, I am definitely continuing this hair mask as often as I can. Shout out to Cardi B for popularizing this, because I would have never tried it if I didn't see her results either. So hopefully you guys see me in 6 months with a, you know, longer, more luscious, healthy hair. Also do want to say that caring about your hair growth doesn't make you a fake natural girl, because I've seen people say that you should care about your health, the health of your hair, instead of how long it is. Like, I want it all though. I want it all. Okay. That was my experience for the past 3 weeks with this DIY hair mask inspired by Cardi B. I absolutely love, and as you can see, the hair growth, the results, the healthy hair in general. That is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my before and after, and also just the overall results of this DIY hair mask. Definitely let me know if you have tried it as well, or if there's something else I should be adding, or any other mask I should do, especially if you got thinning hair like me. But I have to start saying that. I feel like when I say it, I'm speaking it into existence, and I don't want my hair to be forever thin. If you have hair like mine and you also have any suggestions or tips, tricks for me, please let me know. Your girl's always trying to learn as much as I can. As confusing as it gets sometimes, don't use oils, don't do this. I get lost in the mix, in the sauce sometimes, but I love trying out new things. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, learned something at least from it, and if you do try it, tag me. I want to see your results too. As always, it has been a pleasure, my darling, my beautiful people. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next one.